Bless up yourself, good people, good people. I have returned, and on tonight's menu, we have some broccoli stir-fried chicken going on, right? I love my wok. Broccoli stir-fried chicken and some chickpea macaroni and cheese. That's right, chickpea macaroni and cheese. First time I'm trying it, but let me tell you what, I added a little pepper jack cheese to it. Oh my, oh my. So I'm staying healthy, you know? Once again, broccoli, carrot, mixed vegetable, stir fry with a little chickpea macaroni and cheese, with pepper jack cheese. So delicious, so delicious. Oh my, oh my. Woo! Think about me, baby. Think about me. Right here, baby. Right here. Misery. Baby.